Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best plugins you need for your WordPress blog. If you created your blog with WordPress or you're about to create a blog with WordPress, in this video, I'm going to show you the best plugins you need to install on your website that will give you the features you need to grow your blog. Now, if you want to install a plugin, you have to go to plugin and add new. The first plugin I'm going to show you is Sitekit by Google. This plugin helps you to add your website to Google Search Console. Another feature about this plugin is that you can view your website analytics and also you can also track your website page speed. So I'm going to install the first plugin. This is number one, the first plugin we installed. Another plugin you need is SEO plugin. SEO plugin helps you give you or it helps give you map on how to set up SEO on your website. There are a lot of SEO plugin, but the one I'm going to recommend to you is AIO SEO. With this plugin, you can generate sitemap, you can have access to robots.txt file, and you can also add meta description to your website. Another good feature about this plugin is that it's going to help you track mistakes or some SEO steps you did not add to your post. So when you install this plugin, you will see a setup wizard which will help you show you the basic features you need to activate in this plugin. This is the second plugin we have installed. The next plugin you need for your blog is Jetpack. One of the great features about this plugin is that once you set it up, it's going to show you the features you need to activate. And if you activate that features, anytime your blog goes offline, it's going to send you notification to your mail that is connected to your user account on your WordPress dashboard. It's going to send you a notification to show you that your website is offline. Another good feature about this plugin is that you can view your website stats. Now I'm going to click on install. The next plugin you need on your WordPress blog is SML sitemap. This plugin is going to generate a sitemap for your website, and each time you create posts, it's going to automatically refresh your sitemap from your Google Search Console dashboard. By default, AIO SEO is going to create sitemap for you, but I'm going to show you how to turn off the one of AIO SEO and use the one of this XML sitemap. I'm going to click on install now, and I'm going to activate both the AIO SEO plugin and XML sitemap plugin. If you want to activate the plugin I've installed, you go to install plugins. I'm going to install AIO SEO and Google SML sitemap. When you activate these plugins, first you go to AIO SEO, then you go to sitemap. Then as you can see, the sitemap is already turned off. If you want to turn off the sitemap of AIO SEO, you can turn it on here. AIO SEO offer different kinds of sitemap. You have video sitemap, you have news sitemap, you have HTML sitemap, you have RSS sitemap. The one we mostly use is general sitemap or RSS sitemap. Now we have turned off all these sitemaps. I'm going to go to settings, then I'm going to go to SML sitemap. Now this is the first features. You see, notify Google about updates of your website. Add a sitemap URL to virtualrobots.txt file. Now, when you scroll down, you can see you can enable homepage, include posts, product categories, product tags, static pages, categories, and archives. This is the main feature I like about this plugin is that you can change the frequency of each time you want the sitemap to update your URL or update your sitemap on Google Search Console. Now you can set the homepage to always, the post to always, the static page to always, the categories to always, the product categories to always, and the current archive of this one to always also. After enabling these options, you can click on update options. The last two basic plugin you need on your WordPress blog is redirection and all 404 redirect to homepage. This redirection plugin can help you redirect your 301 links, your 404 errors, and also is going to improve your site's SEO performance. But the difference between this redirection plugin and all 404 redirect to homepage plugin is that you have to redirect all your 404 links with this redirection plugin manually. But with all 404 redirect to homepage, it's going to redirect all your 404 errors to your homepage automatically. Let me show you the one of all 404. 404 redirect to homepage. Now this is a plugin. All 404 redirect to homepage is going to automatically redirect all your 404 error links to your homepage and also your image. You can also redirect 404 image to a particular image you upload on your website. Now let me show you the total plugin we've installed on this website. We've installed all 404 redirect to homepage, all in one SEO, Google SML sitemaps, Jetpack, redirection, and Sitekit by Google. Now, the last plugin you are going to install also is Lightspeed Cache. You also need a plugin that will be clearing cache and minifying CSS, HTML, and JavaScript code on your website. I'm going to show you how to easily set up this Lightspeed Cache. Now, this is Lightspeed. I'll click on Install now, and I'll click on Activate. Once you activate this plugin, hover on Lightspeed Cache here and click on Presets. You can see Presets. Click on Presets. Then you scroll down and click on Apply Presets. Once you click on Apply Presets, it's going to enable the basic features you need on this plugin. It's going to enable CSS, JS, and HTML minification, everything in Basic and Plus. So once you enable this Apply Preset, you don't need to set up anything again. It's going to set up everything you need for this plugin. Now, this is the basic plugin you need for your WordPress blog. With this plugin, it can give you exact features you need to grow your blog and to improve your blog SEO performance.